This foundation was started on February 25th, exactly 4 days after this blast. English. When these blasts happened the first time in Hyderabad, we were all shell shocked, and before we realized and before we got over it, again these blasts happened on February 21st. And we thought, why? Why is it only Hyderabad? Why we? What is the reason behind this? And we were just completely taken off our feet, and we said, we have to do something about this. We have to send one message of unity and solidarity. We have to say that this cannot happen again. We will not allow it. We are united, we are strong. We are not going to be deterred by such acts. And this made us start this organization. And 7 of us got together and we contacted each family, the dead and the injured. Some of the dead victims are out of the state, which was not possible. We could not get those families here today, but we could fulfill our promise of doing the compensation for 12 families here today. And in the next coming months, we'll be contacting the others who can possibly come and take their compensation. We also contacted all the injured, and we saw what they would need from us. And some needed artificial limbs and some needed tricycles. So the artificial limbs take a month and a half to be manufactured. So we thought of taking measurements of those limbs and then providing them with those limbs. And also to those who cannot walk, who need tricycles for some time or maybe forever, some of them, we are providing tricycles. Today we have given 2 lakhs per family. There are 18. The 18 are dead, and there are more than 50, 60 who are injured. Right now, we want to finish with giving compensation for the dead families, and simultaneously we are taking care of the injured. What is the immediate need of the family, and who is the nearest and the dearest person who deserves this compensation? We have started this with the blast, but any such unforeseen incidents and which require immediate attention, we don't wish such. For that, I have another NGO. I have another NGO with 5 of us. We are doing infrastructural facilities in government schools. We are doing a home for the homeless who are picked up from the streets, old women. It's a women's home. We have done it in Rajendra Nagar. We are doing the only girls blind school in Malakpet. We're doing their kitchen and whatever they need in that school. So that is another thing which I am doing, which is an NGO. So this was started for blasts, and I hope no blasts happen anywhere in this world. But something unforeseen and something that needs immediate attention, maybe we can take it up from this foundation.